Hey everybody, Arthur here with another unboxing video. Today we got Transformers Titans Return Kickback. And he is a Legends class and he is a Insecticon. And let's take a look at the packaging here. Got him sitting in the bubble, all nice. Cool looking with the clear wings. Got a little picture of his bug form. Got the cool artwork up top. And then on the back, him in his robot form, looking really freaking cool. Him in his grasshopper mode, almost like a wasp, I guess. It's a bug mode. It's an insect. But let's go ahead and let the camera focus and let's get Kickback out of his prison. There we go. We got Kickback out of his little bubble prison. And before we get into the figure, he did come with his little instruction manual, but he also came with the card here. And this is the same art that is on the front package. And I mean, it's pretty cool. There we go. Really like it. And of course, you got to have your stats. Got a defective little corner up there. And what's different, it's like this card is like a gloss, like a thinner material versus like this one is like a matte finish. You can almost, I don't know if you can see the light reflects on this one, not so much on this one. So, and it's a thinner card versus this one. But, oh well, that's the card. A lot of people don't even care about the card. So let's take a look at this figure. First off, I really like the colors on this thing. The Decepticon logo is awesome. It's like perfect. The head sculpt is really awesome. And the little antennas are like a little like rubbery plastic, really soft plastic. Wings, a little ball joint and hinge. It's a hard plastic. But like even the back of the figure doesn't look horrible. Like it doesn't look like it's too hollow. Nothing's worse than like you turning stuff around and seeing that your Transformer figure looks hollow, but so you can only position them on the front. But yeah, I really dig it. Arms are all lanky, you know. In my opinion, I think that's how, you know, a lot of these figures like would be. Like if it's an insect, I would picture it being, you know, having like little lanky arms. As you can see, you know, you got your normal, like, all my joints are pretty tight. What the hell's going on here? It's on both my knees. Looks like defects going on. If you can see it better. Yeah, good old defects, Hasbro. Your quality control. Come on now. I think this thing opens up. You can put like a little headmasters in there. But I really like the choice of the clear plastic. You know, it's not overly bright yellow, but it's not super dull. The detail on the legs, just really sculpted nice. Texture on the bottom of the feet. But let's go ahead and get him turned into his little insect mode. Here's Kickback in his grasshopper form. And looking pretty freaking sweet. Zoom in here. Again, those wings look awesome. Just all the details into it. Like, the sculpt is great. Uses his antennas from his head to give antennas to this. Like, really cool looking. Then this is the bottom. Still looking pretty good, you know. Not looking hollow. Except for, you know, where his mouth is. But let's go ahead and, you know, what's cool is that this actually opens up, as I showed you earlier, and you can actually see those little pegs in there. You can actually put a Titan master, headmaster, whatever the fuck you want to call them, put it right inside. So, well, mine's a little loose. Let's see. There you go. Put the wings all up there. So you can have them rode into combat. But yeah, it's pretty cool looking. Don't know how much protection this part's actually doing. I guess it'll protect his back, but you know, going straight onto anything, there's no windshield or anything to protect them. But again, really cool figure. I like it. I mean, it was awesome to find them in the wild, and yeah, just a really simple, you know, figure. So, but this is my little unboxing and review of Kickback. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you like what I'm doing, add some likes, subscribe if you want to see more. You know the routine. And I thank you guys again for taking the time to watch, and good luck collecting and hunting and finding those figures. Do your best to try to avoid those resellers. Don't give them that satisfaction of making money on you know, on us. So have a great rest of your guys' day.